Okay.
We found Zen Windows. My wife went online and we went out and she did some research on the product, and then we had other companies come in and give us bids. Zen was not the lowest bid, but it was not the highest bid either. And the quality of the product and everything we saw looked great. And so Dennis came out, had him come out, he measured for us and gave us a date, and they worked with us very well to for the installation date, because we've been going in and out of town being retired. And so we finally got a date in here, and they put the windows up. I was told they'd have them all in a day's time, and they've done that. There were 9 windows, and I thought it was going to take them a lot longer. And so it all worked out. The windows look great. They're clean as can be. All the caulking and everything else, and they're airtight now compared to what we had before. So everything looks really good. We're very happy with them.
Okay, good deal. One question. You mentioned that Dennis came out. Actually, did he not have a major person come out once you?
I think his name was Dennis that came out and actually did the measurements for me.
Okay.
So
sometimes if he's around, I think he might do that.
So
okay, good.
That worked great.
Good. And your wife came home for lunch and got a look at it?
I got approval from the wife. She was very happy.
That's very important.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.